Still using a basic keyboard and missing those fast, responsive clicks while gaming? Welcome back. In part 3 of our series, we're checking out some of the best gaming keyboards that deliver lightning-fast response, smooth mechanical switches, and stunning RGB lighting to level up your setup. Gaming keyboards are designed for speed, precision, and better control during intense gameplay. Stay till the end to find the perfect keyboard for your playstyle, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have Mage G75% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Enhance your typing and gaming experience with this mechanical keyboard featuring smooth linear red switches that offer fast and quiet keystrokes with minimal resistance for effortless performance, complemented by a classic blue LED backlight system with up to 19 dynamic and static lighting modes that can be easily customized for brightness and speed using simple function key controls, designed with full anti-ghosting across all 87 keys to ensure accurate and responsive multi-key input along with 12 multimedia shortcuts for added convenience, built in an ergonomic 75% layout with a stylish black and gray design including 16 extra red keycaps and durable double-shot injection keycaps that are non-slip and long-lasting, supported by a splash-proof structure and a sturdy metal panel that protects against scratches while adjustable kickstand feet provide a comfortable typing angle, and equipped with a USB 2.0 plug-and-play connection for wide compatibility with Windows and everyday users. At number 2 we have ProtoArc Foldable Keyboard and Mouse. A 105-key folding keyboard delivers a true desktop experience with dedicated function/number pads, ideal for spreadsheets, coding, or data entry anywhere. Designed for frequent travelers, its ultra-slim profile and flat typing surface, no tilt, enable effortless portability, while the simple fold-and-go mechanism ensures quick deployment. Precision ultra-slim mouse, designed for professionals on the move, this portable mouse delivers pro-grade precision with 3 adjustable DPI modes adapt to any task instantly. Its slim profile takes up minimal space, slipping into laptop sleeves or pockets, while 25 decibels micro switches prevent click fatigue in shared workspaces. Seamlessly connect up to 3 devices. Swap between laptop/tablet/phone with one click. Works across Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, iPad OS, and Android, ideal for hybrid workflows. Work quietly anywhere. Our foldable Bluetooth keyboard features whisper quiet scissor switches and low-profile keys, paired with a noise-reducing mouse to deliver library-level silence. At number 3 we have Epimaker Gaming Keyboard with Knob. Upgrade your setup with the F75 Ultra Custom Mechanical Keyboard featuring VIA support and hot swappable switches for advanced customization, allowing you to create macros, remap keys, and switch layouts effortlessly with dedicated software integration. Designed in a compact 75% layout that balances space-saving design with full functionality, while delivering versatile performance across wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth modes with 1K polling rate and full NKRO support for precise multi-key input in fast-paced gaming. Built to provide a smooth and satisfying thicky typing experience with pre-lubed linear switches, plate-mounted stabilizers, and multiple layers of foam and silicone that reduce noise and enhance acoustics, complemented by a pet pad that refines switch sound for a rich and pleasant feel, engineered with an ergonomic cherry profile, low front height, and adjustable typing angles for maximum comfort during long sessions, and colors to elevate both aesthetics and performance for gamers, programmers, and everyday users. At number 4 we have Asus Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. TKL size with full-size functionality and numpad. Experience a compact, space-saving design that's only 1 cm wider than a standard 80% keyboard, while still retaining the keys and number pad you would have in a 96% keyboard. Versatile tri-mode connectivity, seamlessly connect via Bluetooth, low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless with ROG Speed Nova technology, or a reliable USB wired connection. Compatible with both PC and Mac, and boasts an exceptional battery life of up to 1,500 hours in 2.4 GHz wireless mode. Enhanced acoustics, integrated sound dampening foam and switch dampening pads effectively absorb pinging noises and echoes, resulting in improved keystroke acoustics. Hot swappable, pre-lubed mechanical switches. Customize your typing experience with your choice of ROG NX Snow linear switches or ROG NX Storm clicky switches. Both switch types are factory lubricated for enhanced stability and optimized acoustics. Features per key RGB lighting. At number 5 we have Mechlands Gaming Keyboard with Display Screen. The Ages AK980V2 gaming keyboard features 97 keys, including an interactive screen and a robust metal knob for added functionality. Adjust volume, scroll through pages, or customize it to perform other handy shortcuts. This keyboard gives you full control, making every task more convenient and accessible. The Ages AK980 V2 wireless keyboard elevates your typing experience with its versatile triple-mode connectivity. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, seamlessly switch between BT, wireless, and wired connections. This flexibility ensures that you can stay productive and connected, no matter where you work from. Light up your typing experience with the Ages AK980 V2 south-facing LED, paired with an impressive battery, 10,000 mAh. These mechanical keyboard features allow for a customizable typing feel and easy switch replacements, ensuring that each keystroke is stable, smooth, and tailored to your exact preferences. At number 6 we have Redragon S107KS Gaming Keyboard. The S107KS supports multiple connection methods and provides a stable and reliable connection. The keyboard can support up to 5 devices simultaneously, making it the perfect choice for gaming or office use. This wireless gaming mouse supports up to 10,000 dpi and a maximum polling rate of 1000 Hz, meeting your different needs in gaming or work. S107KS gaming keyboard and mouse is equipped with professional Redragon customization software support, where you can freely adjust the macro, DPI, report rate, and RGB lighting effects, and customize the buttons to meet your customization needs. The gaming keyboard has 6 RGB lighting modes to choose from, and the gaming mouse can customize over 1 million RGB backlight colors, and the keyboard and mouse set can be adjusted for speed and brightness to suit your preference. Whether it's a single light, changing light effects, or no light at all, the Redragon gaming keyboard and mouse will meet your needs. This gaming keyboard and mouse combo is equipped with 12 multimedia function keys, simple and convenient to operate. At number 7 we have Mage G SKY98 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. SKY98 96% gaming keyboard supports 3 connection modes: stable wired, ultra-sensitive BT 5.0 and hassle-free wireless 2.4G, allowing up to 5 devices to be connected at the same time. The toggle switch on the side of the keyboard can switch the connection mode for easy and quick response. SKY98 has a built-in 3000 mAh battery, which can last for about 16 hours when used with the light on. You can check the battery level at any time by pressing FN plus backspace. Gasket-mounted structure. Unlike the traditional screw-fixed structure, the positioning plate of the SKY98 creamy mechanical keyboard is fixed in the middle by the pressure of the upper and lower shells. There are gaskets distributed around the positioning plate to prevent direct contact between the interior and the shells, acting as a cushioning layer and effectively reducing vibration and noise generated when typing. The SKY98 keyboard utilizes Mage G's finely tuned switches, which are pre-lubricated at the factory and built to last up to 70 million keystrokes for responsive and creamy typing. At number 8 we have Gravastar Mercury K1 Purple 75% Keyboard. The Mercury K1 features a sturdy aluminum alloy chassis with a flowing, hollowed-out design that combines durability with sleek aesthetics. Its lightweight yet stable frame provides a solid foundation for gaming, streaming, or desktop setups. Equipped with Gravastar Stellar Bloom linear switches, the Mercury K1 delivers smooth, precise keystrokes with 40 GF actuation force, 1.5 mm pre-travel, and 3.5 mm total travel. Combined with the 5-layer gasket-mounted sound dampening, it produces a deep, satisfying thunk at moderate volumes, ideal for gamers, streamers, or typists seeking a high-quality, creamy keyboard experience. The Mercury K1's transparent keycaps showcase vibrant RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors, 11 preset effects, 10 sound reactive modes, and 13 fully customizable settings. Dual independent RGB systems, including 3-ring ambient lighting, create a visually immersive gaming, streaming, or office setup, emphasizing both performance and aesthetic appeal for a 75% keyboard. At number 9 we have Valzer Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Personalize your own RGB keyboard-mouse combo. Switch 3 lighting modes, 7+1 backlight colors and 3-level brightness to match your mood, enhancing immersion at work. Lighting also can improve visibility in dark environments and improve typing accuracy. Maintain a cleaner, tidier workspace. Thanks to a reliable 2.4G wireless connection with a 10 meters range, you can type from a distance or in a more comfortable position without being tethered to nearby computers or laptops. With full-size, comfortably spaced keys, wireless keyboard makes composing long documents quick and accurate. Meanwhile, wrist rest and sturdy tilt legs with adjustable height helps keep your hand cramp-free after a long day. Wireless keyboard features increased key stability that reduces noise and optimizes responsiveness so you feel, but don't hear, every keystroke. Computer mouse also reduces noise by 99.99%, so you won't have to worry about annoying your coworkers as you work at the office. comfortable, contoured shape follows the natural curve of your hand. At number 10 we have Ala F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Ala F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboards work with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless and USB wired connection, can connect up to 5 devices at the same time, and easily switch by shortcut keys or side button. F75 Pro computer keyboard is suitable for PC, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, PS, Xbox etc., to meet all the needs of users. This custom mechanical keyboard with hot swappable base supports 3-pin or 5-pin switches replacement. Even keyboard beginners can easily DIY their own keyboards without soldering issue. This thicky heavy mechanical keyboard features an advanced structure, extended integrated silicone pad, and PCB single key slotting, better optimizes resilience and stability, making the hand feel softer and more elastic. 5 layers of filling silencer fills the gap between the PCB, the positioning plate and the shaft, effectively counteracting the cavity noise sound of the shaft hitting the positioning plate, and providing a solid feel. F75 Pro Light Up LED keyboard features 16.8 million RGB lighting color.